In this video, we are going to learn how to open our browser console. You can go here to these three dots, More Tools, Developer Tools, and this is the console. So here you can see all the actions that are taking place while you navigate any website. And here, if there's any error, it will show in red, so you can take a screenshot of it to help the developers find the issue. You can also go here to the network tab, and if something shows here in red, you can also expand it by clicking on it and take a screenshot of whatever shows here.